Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class of grade 7 of Basava Residential Girls School. I am Yashasvi, your Maths teacher. Students, we are studying comparing quantities. In that, let us study few subtopics. Fun with estimation. Let us take, for example, a question. What percent of the adjoining figure is shaded? Observe the figure here. It has three equal boxes, and in these equal boxes, this part and this part is being shaded in blue. So we need to find out what is the percent being shaded from this figure. So for that, let us consider these boxes to be one part each. So now this whole box is being shaded, so one part. This is not shaded, so we are not taking this. And here there is half part shaded, half box is being shaded. So we can arrive at 1/2, that is half of the total figure is being shaded. See, one box and a half is being shaded, one box and the other half is not being shaded. So I have taken here half, and let us convert this 1/2 fraction into percentage. So for that, I need to multiply it by 100% and I arrive at 50%. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10 and 0, so 50, that is 50%. Now let us study the uses of percentages. Why should we use these percentages? The first answer is to interpret. So how do we interpret? For example, 5% of the income is saved by Ravi. This is a statement which means that out of his total income, 5% is being saved. This is the interpretation of this statement. Now coming to the second statement, 20% of Meera's dresses are blue in color, which means that the whole dresses, the set of dresses owned by Meera are 20% blue in color. Observe the uses of percentages. We can interpret the exact number, the exact percent, to find out what they are. That is 20% dresses are blue out of the whole lot of dresses which Meera owns. The third statement is Rekha gets 10% on every book sold by her. So she gets 10% out of each book, the MRP of each book or the price of each book. Out of that, 10% goes to Rekha. This is how we use percentages to interpret the statements. The second point under uses of percentages is converting percentages to how many. So percentages basically tells us only an approximate percentage. But if we want to know the exact number, like how many, we can use percentages. Let us understand this with the help of example. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children liked playing football? Okay, let us start solving this. A survey of 40 children means there are totally 40 children. Out of this 40, 25%, observe here, 40 is the number of children, but 25 is the percentage. Okay, so for that we can also write 25% as 25 by 100, and we have to multiply this fraction by 40. Now I can do the division here. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100, so which is equal to 40 divided by 4. Again I am simplifying. 4 ones are 4 tens are 40. 4 ones are 4 and 4 tens are 40, which is equal to 10. So what is this 10 now, children? Yes. So 25% means 10 children out of 40 children are interested, are liking to play the football sport. This is how we convert the percentages to how many. Thank you, students. Let us continue in the next class.